Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to back up your photos to OneDrive. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Microsoft OneDrive. So I'm going to open up. So it's going to load up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on the profile icon right here. They take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings. They take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on camera backup, photo and video protected. Then it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on data usage backup. So click on that, then take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on backup over Wi-Fi and mobile network. Simply click on here. Then you can also turn on this particular button, backup while charging. And with that, you have successfully backed up your photos and video into Microsoft Word OneDrive. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.